Let me give you the answer, because if you change your ads, you will get a lot more prospects from this. Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Greg Luther here, and man, do I have a fun example for you today. I want you to think about this. I'm going to talk to you about a couple of realtor ads, and I want you to tell me which one you think works the best. Now, I know you've been selling real estate for a long time, so you probably have an idea which of these ads would work better if you posted them on Facebook or Instagram or whatever the case is. So I want to show you a few examples. We've been testing a few ads. We've been testing 5 ads. I'm looking at my notes as we speak, and I'm talking to Facebook, and I'm talking to Instagram. So we tested 5 different ads on how do you break into the luxury real estate market. Rather than getting listings, because that's going to cost us some money to market those things, what if we could get us some luxury level buyers? So they want to sell their nice house or average house and move up to a trophy house. Can we run an ad that would get us some good quality buyers that are looking to buy in that luxury market? So what we did is we tested 5 different ads, and I want you to tell me which one you think worked the best. I'm going to give you 5 different examples of just the image that we used in that ad. It's kind of driving me crazy. I'm trying to make eye contact with those of you watching on Facebook and those of you watching on Instagram. I'm a big eye contact person. You can learn a lot more that way. But anyway, here are the pictures that we chose. We have very specific text we're using to get luxury level buyers, people that are looking to move up to their trophy home. So we know what the text is, and it's working really well. But we tested 5 different images, and I want you to guess. You can actually comment here. Guess which one you think worked the best. The first one was a picture of a luxury house. So we ran the ad, all the text was the same, but we did a picture of a luxury house, really good looking house from the road. Do you think we got a lot of leads from that as opposed to the other ones? The second one we ran was a picture of the agent. Typical luxury real estate agent standing sideways with the swirly writing, right? So we ran a picture of the agent. Which one do you think worked better of those 2? The third ad we ran was a picture of a really nice pool, an in-ground pool, but obviously a luxury backyard. Which of those 3, I'm going to give you all 5, and then I want you to comment on which one you think worked the best. The fourth one was a picture of a staircase, like a bridal staircase. Walking into a luxury property. And then the 5th one was a picture of a kitchen, and I mean a really nice kitchen. We all know kitchens and bathrooms are what sell, particularly to the women, the wives. So which of those 5 do you think was the highest producing ad? I want you to comment here and let me know what you think. Was it a picture of a really nice luxury house, a picture of the agent, a picture of an in-ground pool, a picture of a staircase, a bridal staircase, or a picture of a really nice kitchen? Which of those 5 do you think was the highest producing ad? Well, I can tell you which one it was, because one of our agents that we run the ads for, he's actually got 3 more closings this month in the luxury market. I don't have to tell you how much money that creates for you if you can get any luxury deals, let alone 3 that are in contract and closing. All 3 of those happen to be buyers for him, but they're buying for high-end properties. Which one do you think was better? Was it the picture of the house, which is what most people would put in our ads, right? If we look at regular real estate ads, it would all be a picture of the house. Was it a picture of the agent? Was it a picture of a pool, an in-ground pool that's really, really nice out back? A picture of the staircase, or a picture of the kitchen? I want you to comment below before I give you the answer. Don't cheat here, because it shows me when you made your comments. I can only see the Facebook comments here, but it looks like Mary says the staircase, Al says it's the pool, and I know we'll get lots and lots of comments from those watching this afterwards, but let me give you the answer, because if you change your ads, you will get a lot more prospects from this. The answer was a bridal staircase. The bridal staircase is getting 5 times the click-through rate, thus 5 times the leads at exactly the same lead cost. So what I mean by that, like let's say you're running some ads on Facebook and Instagram. Many of you know the coaching that I do. We teach agents how to get into that luxury market. If you're running those ads, let's say you spend $50. Well, if you're running some of those images, we all know what you're doing is you're trying to stop the scroll, right? You're going through, ooh, what was that? That's how you've got to do this. Well, what we've learned is that the stopping of the scroll happens from a bridal staircase better than anything else. So if you spent $50 on ads, you might get 5 leads from the staircase, but only get 1 or 2 leads from the pool and only 1 lead from the house or the kitchen, right? So we're getting 5 times the response from utilizing a bridal staircase. If you've been, and actually I'll tell you what, I'll give you a website you can look at one. This is a plug, by the way. On Memorial Day, I'm doing a training to show agents how to break into the luxury real estate market. You have to be on there live. There's not going to be a replay available. I do it every Memorial Day. So that's coming up here very soon. If you go to wealthyagentblueprint.com. I want you to register for the webinar at the top. It's free. I'm going to give you tons of great training like this on how to break into the luxury market. But once you're registered, if you look at the bottom of that, you're going to see an example of one of those staircases. That's one of the best photos we have. Of course, we have the right measurements for those ads. It's not on that site, but we have the right measurements for those ads on Facebook and Instagram. That's one of the best staircases we have. We have 3 that we give our agents, and the ads are unbelievable in picking up good buyers and sellers. You need to know what the text is. You need to know what the offer is, but that image is what I call a scroll stopper. They're scrolling. You know how it is when you're going through your feed. Oh, what was that? You'll scroll back up. So get yourself registered for that. Again, it's wealthyagentblueprint.com, but by going there, you'll also see an image that's a scroll stopper. Now, in that case, on that page, there was no purpose for it, so it's kind of like blurred out or fuzzy looking in the background because I wanted to show you the webinar that we're doing. But again, that's going to be about a 60-minute webinar on Memorial Day where I'll be teaching you how to break into the luxury market. So anyway, congratulations to those of you that guessed correctly. If you didn't guess correctly this time, you will next time because you're going to be closing a lot of luxury deals. If you know the right images to use and the right offer to use in your text, you're going to be getting a lot of leads for yourself. And most importantly, it's in that higher end price range. They don't have issues with equity. They're able to pay somebody a full fee. And heck, I mean, they pay $100,000 for a car, $8,000 for a purse. They want the best that money can buy. I'm going to show you how to get very, very successful and very wealthy in the real estate world, specifically in the luxury market, working with those affluent buyers. So anyway, go to wealthyagentblueprint.com. Hopefully this has been helpful for you here. I want you to make sure your ads are producing. Every ad dollar you have is like an employee. When you send it out there, it better do its job or you're going to fire it from that ad. So you got to make sure your ads are productive. Hopefully that's helpful for you. And that concludes today's training. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.